Good Saturday morning out here, Dothan, Alabama, Eastgate Park. First up, we're going to try to do a little banner snag. Have the banner set up, got the banner plane ready. So let's get her up, let's do it. All right, the banner's good. The tow line looks good.
Take off flap.
Got a good tow line. Should have my banner set up just right.
Timer stop. Timer start.
Just missed. Not bad for a first go around. Getting the trees. It's in the 80s. Humidity's at 100. I was going to set up 2 cameras, but shoot, I forgot to grab it.
Timer start.
Here we go. Ah, man, I thought I had it there.
Time remaining 7 minutes.
Should have flew a warm-up flight, but nah, warm-up flights are for people that want to do it right the first time. Right at that much speed.
Timer start.
Golly. All right, I think I got my depth perception calibrated. I'm gonna bring it right. I get nervous. Right there.
Timer start.
There we go. Son of a gun.
Son of a gun.
It's still snagged bad. I thought I had it set up perfect this time. There you go. The loop got caught in the banner. Well, maybe not. Yeah, it is. It's caught in the banner. Oh, there you go. Yep, it's caught in the banner. Doggone it. There you go. I mean, it's funny, the last few times I've been out with it, everything's gone well except for the banner gets snagged up in the loops. And I thought I had it laid out. I had it laid out right. Huh. I thought I had it laid out right this time. There you go. That's how it goes. Oh, I see. It's twisted. Shoot. Yep, I see what's wrong. My loop is twisted, so it's not opening all the way up.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Yep, see it twisted? Well, you can see the Valiant has plenty of oomph to tow this banner. It doesn't weigh much. Ooh, I pulled one of my poles over. Pretty cool, eh? Let's see if we can drop it right here. Great, it caught on the tail wheel. Son of a gun, man. This is not going to be pretty. Son of a gun, man. There goes another. More repairs.
4 minutes.
there we go. That wasn't so bad. Whew. That was pretty good considering I was dragging that banner and it got caught on the tail wheel. It's just like.
Landing flaps. Cruise mode.
There you go. Had problems. You always have a little bit of technical difficulties at times. Let's see where it caught. It caught right on that tail wheel. Looped right on that tail wheel. That's the first time it's done that. Usually once I hit the release, everything works fine. Whew. I'm glad it didn't damage the Valiant any. All right, let's see where the problem is here. Set my radio down. Ah, shoot. I see what happened. Doggone it. It pulled my pole out again. Son of a gun, man. You know, that happens from time to time. Well, there you go. I mean, it wasn't perfect. It's funny, it's like the first still probably 6-7 times I did this, everything was perfect all the time. Now, the last 3 times I've done it, I've had little glitches, but I would set it up and do it again, but I don't know. That's good. I'm happy. Well, shoot. Yeah. I got to figure out what to do about that coming out of the pocket. Well, there you go. I'm going to go ahead and close this banner to snag and tow. I think you can see it went well. I'll do it again next time. I'm going to secure the ends of the flags so the pole, the carbon rod doesn't come out. There you go. Having a great day at the park. Tuco and Linda are out walking because there were no dogs. There you go. The Valiant banner snag and tow. Eastgate Park, Dothan, Alabama.